Hello guys, in this video we will see about the another cases to solve on SQL. So I have taken the cases from HackerRank on the first series of cases on weather observation station, the sample case studies. So the first case is to query a list of cities and state from a station table. So the description of the station table has been provided. So I'll be coding on basis of my SQL database. So I'm providing the select statement with the city and state column from the station table. Okay. So yeah, there is no condition, so I just closing the statement and running it. So this we got the expected output. So that's fine. So now we can go to the next case. So I changing the database. So I prefer using MySQL. So fine. The case is to query a list of city names from station table. Okay, for cities that have an even ID number. So we need to get the even ID, and so another thing is to print the result in any order, but exclude duplicates from the answer. So which means we need to add another condition. Let's see it in a statement. The select statement selecting all from this particular uh, station, but we need to select the column city. So with the condition, what provided here is the even ID. So I'm using a modulus function. So the modulus of 2. So the modulus of 2 will get the even number. Okay, so like the modulus of 2, we will get the remainder as 0. So this condition will sort all the ID with 0. So I got the error. I think I have missed some. Mm, I have done some mistake in the coding, like checking the error. So there is an error in the equal to statement. So yeah, so where ID modulus of 2, so there is no issue with space, I guess. Yeah, so there is no issue with space. So what I changed is instead of double double symbol like I'm using the single one, I got the answer, but the expected it is differs from the expected output. So what I have done the mistake is mm, I think okay. So there is another uh, condition that provided with we need to include duplicates. So for duplicates, I'll add the distinct function. So distinct will sort all the remove all the duplicates and provide the unique values from the city column from station table. So fine. So moving on to our next case where we need to find the difference between the two, so difference between the total number of city entries in the table and the number of distinct city entries in the table. So we need to find difference between two numbers. Okay. So first I'll write the basic query here. So select um, city from select city from station. Okay, so it will provide all the values of city from the city column from the station table. But we need to count we need to get the difference. So I'll write this count of city which provide a number. Okay, number of city that available in the column. So minus of, so within the state select statement, I am calculating the difference. So minus of So we have the city column. I getting the distinct city and counting it. So let's run it. Yeah, so we got the output and that output matches the required one. So that's it. Okay. So total count of city minus total distinct count of city. That's it. So the next statement case, what we're going to solve is to query the list of city names starting with vowels from the station table. Okay, so we need to sort all the city names which starting from a split which starting from a vowel letter. Okay, so I'll write the query from select city from station. So now we have to provide the condition. Okay, the condition is the city names starting with vowels. Okay, so mm, I'll providing the where statement, the condition statement, the city like so like I provide this like and um, the letter A within within it and with the percentage symbol. So that condition will sort all the city names starting with A, and it doesn't care about what letters that after that A. So similarly, I repeating the same condition. So city like A, like city starting with A, starting with E, starting with I, starting with O, or starting with U. Okay. So is it is it a right statement to get the required output? Let us check. Okay. So we're running it. Cool. So we're getting the output. But I have a question like whether like this statement is efficient enough in the real life problem. Definitely not. Okay, so we have like another we can use another method or technique to get the same output. Okay, with the minimum effort. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, let's say I'll delete this where conditions. Okay, and I'll use another technique where like using the regex. Okay, so yeah, so it's a short form of regular expression. Okay, so I'm using this method, so regular expression method. So for city within the closed, I'll set the square bracket and I'll provide all the values. Okay, so you can refer this particular like regular expression statement like Google it and for multiple statements like you can use this regular expression. We will be seeing some of this in this video. Okay, so this in this case like we have similar like condition, but in this particular case, we need to sort all the city names that ends with vowels. Okay. So all the city names that ends with vowel, I'll use the same statement here, but I'll remove the symbol that used in front. Okay. 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 So I'll remove it and I'll add the percentage symbol at dollar symbol at it. So dollar symbol which brings uh, which supposed to brings okay all the like all the words that ends with a e I o u within the city column. But why we not getting the answer? It maybe it's because of this condition like we not used here. Okay, so I adding the distinct from the city. Yes, okay. So we got the output and that is matching with the required. So with the regular expression, we used two conditions. Okay, so letter starting with AIOU and letter ends with AU. Okay, by using two different symbols. Okay, so let me see. Um, we see another case on this. Okay, I quickly go. So in this statement, like here, the condition is to select a city from the station which has vowel as both first and last letter. So both first and last letter. Okay, so both first and last letter. So I'll use the same functions, but I'll modify the statement across like based on the conditions provided. Okay. So where city regular expression with the close bracket, and then I provided the value a or u with the dollar ending with dollars. Okay. So that will sort all the city names ended with a or u, and the second statement. Okay, sort all the city statement that start with A. Okay, so yeah, so always remember that the caret symbol. Okay, that providing at the beginning of the square bracket will sort like will matches this string. Okay, starting with those letters we provide. Okay. Similarly, here, so in this case, like it's a different condition, like do not start with vowel. Okay, so what we need, like we already provided the statement start with vowel, so I just adding the not in where statement, but still we not getting it. Why? So cannot contains duplicate. Okay, so we'll remove the duplicate. I'll run it. Good. So the next case, okay, it's a similar expression. It's a similar case. We need to provide a statement that uh, do not the city names that do not ends with vowel. So we already have the statement of ends with vowel. So I'll add the not. Oh, that's fine. So we'll get the answer. For this new case, like the station that either do not start with vowel and do not end with vowel. So we already done a case like the city names should start with vowel as well ends with vowels. So similarly, I copy paste the same statement and add the not like not inside the condition. Okay, so that will get the required result. Okay. So not and not. Okay. Oh my God. So where we went wrong? Where we went wrong? I think. Um, okay. So I need to change the operator and from or because then statement okay will provide output of city names having vowels at both ends, but we need to sort vowels at any end front or back. Okay, that's it. So in this case, like we have the uh, similar statement of do not start with vowel and do not end. So, so what we can do now, just wait. That's it, guys. That's all for this video, and thank you.